The armed forces of the Philippines also confirmed that bigger Chinese ships were surrounding BRP Sierra Madre when the Chinese Coast Guard seized supplies for Filipino troops. Here's an excerpt of AFP spokesperson Francel Padilla's interview on The Big Story.
Parang napaghandaan po ng China ito, no? Ano yun? Parang were they reactive here? Kumbaga nakita nila na this was happening or napaghandaan nila? Alam nilang darating. At saka ilan po yung mga rubber boats ng China?
As you can see in the video, no, over and above the ribs ng China, meron din kasi in the background, makikita nyo yung Chinese militia vessels and their PLA Navy. So yung presence nila nandyan din nung sa area, and when they saw that the aircraft going in for the airdrop was coming, tsaka nila dineploy yung kanilang mga ribs. But really, what we have to discuss this is yung presence nila in the area. We have to take into context that this is the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines, 200 nautical miles. So to begin with, they have no business being in the area in the first place.
When you say that they started to react when they saw the Philippine troops coming, were there any ships nearby, or talagang these were just rubber boats?
No, there are ships nearby. You have Chinese militia vessels and a PLA Navy ship and the Chinese Coast Guard ship in the area. So we are thinking whether kung saan talaga nanggaling itong mga ribs na to, no? They are deployed from a bigger mothership.
In case this happens again, how do we keep our military men from being harassed? Meron po ba tayong adjustments?
So for the side of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, we are exploring other strategies so that we can safely and successfully conduct RORE missions without the interference of the CCG. Kung makita nyo nga ma'am, part ito ng operational mix nga natin, atong airdrop, kasi nakita na natin how dangerous it is when we do our by sea, no? So but ginawan pa rin nila ng paraan para maagaw ito, and nakita naman po talaga natin na pagkain talaga yung laman ng provisions, no? And there was now even no need for them to throw it back to the sea. Kung talaga pong well-meaning sila, pwede naman pong iabot na lang nila back yon to our troops. So makita talaga natin, ma'am, na even when these are considered as humanitarian missions, they're really going out there and even tweaking the narrative, no, sa kanilang ICAD operations.
Colonel, curious lang ako, yung mga rubber boats natin, yung mga mas maliliit na nakikita doon sa video, galing po ba sila sa BRP Sierra Madre? Meaning, of course, hindi naman ganun ka-perfect yung airdrop, so pag nalaglag, talagang hahabulin nila. Kitang-kita natin sa video na sobrang dehado po yung mga bangka natin. Meron bang plano na bigyan ng mas malakas na makina yung mga rubber boat natin para naman kung maghabulan ulit, mas may chance tayo na makuha yung mga ayuda?
Yes, ma'am, no. This is all part of our Horizon 3, our modernization projects. Ito po, galing ito sa LS-57 nga. Hindi kasi possible, no, na directly i-drop yung provisions to the vessel. So really, very near po talaga yung pag-drop ng ating airdrop missions, very near our vessel, our LS-57. And talagang nire-recover na lang siya ng rubber boats natin. So makita niyo po talaga na with the effort of the Chinese to get a hold of it, lumapit po talaga sila ng husto sa ating commissioned Navy vessel.